In this demo, I'm going to show how to take a simple call to a REST API and turn it into a notes database. I'm going to use coronavirus data that's recent and up to date. Returns the state statistics as JSON. I'm going to create a notes database just using that JSON, doing a simple agent using our Midas LSX. So this is the agent. As you'll see, it's not very long. We create the database if it doesn't exist already, which it doesn't. And then we're going to create a form. And then we're going to use the Domino 11 create HTTP request and call that same URL that we saw before. We have some properties that basically say how we're going to treat this. And then we call our high value formula append fields with JSON. And after that, append docs with JSON and append view with JSON. So that we'll create the database and then we'll open it up. So let's go ahead and give that a try. You'll see. And as you see, it took less than 2 seconds. It created the database. Here's the view that it created. Here's the form that it created. And these are all just regular fields on the form. Go into edit mode. We can see that, although you shouldn't really edit them for right now. And while this worked well and accomplished the task, I'd like the form to be a little bit more robust, more interesting, and to show that basically you could do a whole lot more with it. I won't show you a ton of stuff, but I'll show you some. So let's switch to our other agent. It's very similar, still not very long. We open the database or create it. We just deleted it, so it's not there. We're going to create the form. This time we'll set a background color because we want it to look a little better. We're going to add a single tab table because I like that look. And give it some properties. We get our JSON. We're going to calculate from JSON, which allows us to figure out some values. And then we're going to make this the fields inside a vertical table. So now we append the fields to the inside of that tab table in a separate table. And we create some computed text. And I'll show you what that does in a minute. Add the view and add the documents. And then we're going to open it up again. So same thing, again, it'll take under 2 seconds. So we're going to try recreating that database again. Pulls the latest data and here's your view. Now if we go into these forms, you'll see the forms are fancier. They've got an actual tab table and then a nested table inside there. We also put the computed text that tells you when the positive results, confirmed cases, are less than half the national average for all the states or greater than the national average. So let's go down to something like New Jersey. I'm pretty sure New Jersey has a lot of cases. So it's more than twice the national average. So we could do more things. We could put buttons on there. We could put sections. But that's how you create a form from a REST API.